This is the Tesla Model Y Juniper. In this video, we'll show you the first modification we will do for this Model Y Juniper. As you can see, the new ambient lighting looks amazing, but the plastic trim and also the fake fabric material on the dash looks very cheap, including the center console. So we're gonna start off with replacing the dashboard. This fake fabric material, we'll be completely removing this, and it's very easy to install this carbon fiber piece that we'll be replacing it with. So the hardest part of this is removing this OEM. It's only held on by just clips, so regular clips, but it's on there really tight. So you want to do first is pry open from each corner. So you want to reach at the corner. If you have a pry tool, highly recommend getting a pry tool. 99% of the time, you will be able to remove it with a pry tool without any issue. But using your fingers, you can see how difficult it is here. And we would recommend spending a few dollars just getting a pry tool. And we'll put the information to get the pry tool in the description of this video. Again, I'm having trouble removing the OEM actual dashboard cover. So this is a pry tool that I would highly recommend. Something flat that goes straight into it, and then just pop open every clip, one clip at a time, starting from the corner. So you work your way across, and what I've learned is that the first two clips on the front side facing the steering wheel, those are the clips you want to pop up first, and then work your way from the other side and pry it open from the opposite side of where the dash is facing the steering wheel. So again, you can see those are just regular clips, and just pry it open one clip at a time. Don't try to bend it or fully force it open, and then work your way on across the dash, and it will come right off. Once it's fully off, you can keep it in the carbon fiber dashboard that we are installing here. And this carbon fiber is a full replacement, and it looks absolutely amazing. It's real carbon fiber. It has the weave in underneath the clear coat. You can get this in matte finish or gloss, so it comes in two versions. It sits on there precisely. It makes it looks amazing and make the interior looks more expensive. It also comes with the option to get the lower piece dash underneath the vent, and these are held on by adhesive. Also real carbon fiber, and you can get this bundle package, link in the description of this video. Here's a still photo with the fluorescent light hitting it. This is how it looks like with partial sunlight and partial fluorescence light. It brings out that matte finish. You can get it in gloss. It won't reflect against the windshield at all. It won't cause any interference, but this is how it looks like. So if you're interested in this product, link in the description of this video. Again, real carbon fiber, justified for the price. It's actually not that expensive. If you use the discount along with the link in the description of this video, you can add additional saving. Catch you all next time.